Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 38. If y equals to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x, find the y dx. Now the y dx is just simply differentiation of what? Y in respect to x. So the y dx will be equals to, now like we know, when y is equals to x raised to the power of n, the y dx is equals to n x raised to the power of n minus 1. So now for 4x cubed, we'll be having 3 times 4 multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 2 times 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Then this will be plus x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. So now the y dx will be equals to, now 3 times 4 will give us 12x, 3 minus 1, 2, then minus 2 times 2 will give us 4, then x, because x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 will give us x, so x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 will give us x to the power of 0, which is 0. So plus x raised to the power of what? 0. So we have the y dx is equals to 12x squared minus 4x plus, now x raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So the answer to this question is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and past questions.